should be question 3, which is basically processing previously scanned images of, in this case, a Pokemon plushie, although we're going to talk about what we're going to find in a second. So we're going to use our images and basically scan it using data generation.py. Before that, we are going to open Anaconda prompt over here. Let's put it over here for a sec. And then for anything, we're going to first analyze an image because we need to find values. The way to do that is through this code over here. And we're gonna basically find, I've already done this, which makes this a little bit easier. But if I was to do h min as 0, s min as 126 approximately, v min as 10, and then h max of 0, even though honestly, we can keep h max as it is. So let's change it to 255. We end up getting the correct colors. So I'm like, okay, that's great. We save Python. We close up our color picker script, and then we actually need to run Python data generation. And right now it's doing the items we did in question 2, which is its own video. But let's run it. And it might take a second, so I'm just going to pause it. It's right about done, and as you can see, it started from angle 299, which is above the horizon by 60 degrees, and it's finishing up by 359. And now that it processed all the data, it gives us our first scan, which is, it's using Python, so not the best option for scanning in that way, but we're going to find the best way to portray it. And using it, we get our scan over here, which is a little shaky. So we're going to find a better way to show it. All right, so we saw what Python does. Now let's see if there's a better way to show it. This file saved a text file with everything we could need to use another app. And the one we're going to use right now is Cloud Compare. And hopefully, there we go. Okay. So what we're seeing here is it's not clear, as clear as I want it to be. But over here, we're seeing a plushie, a giant plushie that is basically out of the range of the camera because I didn't have enough space. Here's the wall, and we can see the lines of the wall and them being in the same plane, more or less, showing that our math is more or less right. Here's the ground. Here's one of the legs of the plushie, and we can see that this line over here is the edges of the camera's view. Same over here, and we can see it's a conical shape. Here is the area you'd sit, and this is the head, and though it doesn't show as well as I'd like it to, those are 2 ears. So, not bad.